Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the DFlow protocol on the Solana ecosystem. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So DFlow is a modern liquidity layer that protects liquidity providers from toxic order flow and ensures user always receives the best execution. Now I'm not exactly sure how this will work, but to be honest, DFlow doesn't have a token yet, and there is huge possibility that there would be airdrop in the future for DFlow protocol. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency. Now this is their website dflow.net over here, and the thing with this airdrop is basically you will need to earn XP. So there are different tiers of XP. So as you can see, the more friends you invite, the higher tier you will be getting. So for example, if you invite between 1 to 5 friends, you will be getting like this amount of XP, and so it all depends on the tier. And the more number of XP, the more airdrop possibility in the future. Now you have to create an account on DFlow in order to be eligible for any future airdrops, and for that you will need to have an invite code. Now you can use my invite code, which is DTPFUY. Also you can see it on the screen in this video. You can go ahead and use my referral link for signing up on DFlow. Now once you sign up, all you have to do is you will need to click on deposit over here, and you can deposit tokens like Solana, and then there is Jupe, Jito, Pit Network, Bonk, Wen. So there are a lot of things, and the minimum balance that you will need to deposit on this DFlow protocol is around $5. So I've already deposited like 0.03 Sol, so it's around $6 as per the current market price, and that's why this protocol has allowed me to create an account, and so I can go ahead and invite my friends over here. Then they also have something called as a leaderboard. So I will go ahead and refresh this. There is some problem over here. Now in the leaderboard you will be able to see how many people have earned how many points. So as you can see, I am ranked like more than 244k because I've just signed up, to be honest. And so this user has earned a lot of XP, so I think he will be getting the highest airdrop in the future. So this is how you can go ahead and apply for or be eligible for DFlow protocol airdrop in the future. This is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.